In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn email. Changing your email address linked to your LinkedIn account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a couple of minutes. Whether you're updating to a more professional email address or simply switching to an email you check more often, follow along and I'll walk you through each step of the process. First things first, head over to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you'll find the option to either sign in with Google or continue with your LinkedIn account by entering your credentials. This is your starting point. Once logged in, you're going to want to navigate to your profile photo, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing your account settings. After clicking on your profile photo, look for the settings and privacy option in the drop down menu. This section is crucial as it houses all the settings related to your personal information, privacy preferences and security settings on LinkedIn. Within the settings and privacy page, look for the sign in and security option. This is where LinkedIn centralizes all the features to keep your account secure, including where your current email address is stored. Clicking on sign in and security will take you to a page with several options to review, but for our purpose we're interested in the email addresses link. This link will take you to the page where you can manage all email addresses associated with your LinkedIn account. On the email addresses page you'll find the option to add email address. This is exactly what you'll need to click on to start the process of adding a new email to your LinkedIn account. Now, if this is the first time you're adding an email address to your account, LinkedIn will send a verification code to the new email address you're trying to add. This is a security measure to ensure that the email address belongs to you. Go ahead, check your new email for the verification code and enter it to verify your new email address. After verifying your new email address, it's time to make it the primary one for your LinkedIn account. You'll see a field to type in your new email address. Enter it, then you'll be prompted to enter your LinkedIn password as an additional security measure. This helps LinkedIn verify that the change being made is authorized by you. Once you've entered your password, click submit and voila, your LinkedIn account's email address has been updated. It's that simple. A couple of things to keep in mind. Always make sure that the email address you're adding is one you actively use and have access to. This is important because LinkedIn will use this email for important notifications, including security alerts and password resets. Also, remember to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the verification email in your inbox right away. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to changing your LinkedIn email address. Whether for personal preference or professional necessity, keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date, including your email address, is crucial for maintaining your professional online presence. Thanks for watching and make sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.